Enti say no wakoyi video no e de afiri ho Ghana fo akoma to omo yam anase sen e na omo eka Ghana fo dodo ne Adom Kasee edi nkomo e fa video a ye ka ho asemi e ho omo so sei e na omo kan ye
Ghana for a behavior because if it was to say local artists anka kasa but most foreigners omo ba now omo yes sort of things it's like we allow it. It happened some years ago. Chris Brown or Smokey was stage. Nobody complained. But if Satwale does this, Stonewall does this and does this, you're complaining. It's not good at all. And you're crying.
It's not right. It's not right. It's not right for the president to allow his domain to be used by another person. Even if you're a chief, you don't leave your seat for somebody to come and sit on your seat because there are rules and regulations or there are traditions govern that seat. So it's not appropriate for the president to leave his throne or leave the Flagstaff or allow the Flagstaff House to be used for another thing.
Okay, actually to me, me only say it's not fair because you can't just come to our country. Oh, now I'm based on your marry because I'm more on me. Sure say. At least we are waiting for presidential. We are, you know, to me, it's never done anyway. Do you get it? Yeah, it's never done anyway.
Say, Ghana musicians for even on Maka Senka. Ebia, more that chance no one kwe na me sure Senka. Be send ya on campus who could never trap pictures na e ba chiwa tu na obi fini ne man so abaye man so abaye abetonyo na enyo no sense da shame crime sir it me win say and sheda anye kama sa say on be sir
yeah right say on man kwan it's a Ghana ni see the on ma Ghana ni kwan no eni kwan say on ma foreign na kwan no be sir there no enti anye right my join chere no
I mean he one sorry and no call no call a music video no me sure say he met with the appropriate authorities and they gave him certain guidelines. So first of all, according to me, or in my own opinion, before we make any introspection or we think about whether what he did is right or wrong, we should ask the opinion first. What were the consensus then was any agreement reached? Has there been any procedural, say, breach of procedure effort? Then we can come to, but to my opinion, I can't right now I can't really share an opinion whether what he did is right.